Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra 2 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. Okay, in settings, find the general option and tap on it. Here, scroll through the menu and find the screenshots option. Once you find it, tap on it. And if you want to take screenshots on your watch, you will need to enable the screenshots option. To do it, tap on the switch, and once you turn it on, you can go to the screen you want to capture, and once you're on the screen you want to capture, you can press and hold the side button and crown button together, or press them. Yeah, it's press, not hold, my bad. And once you press them, the screenshot will be taken. You will see the flash on the screen, and if you have the sound enabled, you will hear the sound of the screenshot being taken. And once you're done taking your screenshots and you want to check them out, you can press the crown button to open the menu, find the Photos app or icon, tap on it, and you should see the photos right here. If you don't see it on your watch, you can always check it on your iCloud account. So you can log in your iCloud account on for example, in the browser, and you should see the screenshots there. Okay, and that's how you take a screenshot on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.